Hey guys, welcome back to Michael 2.0 Minecraft, and today we will be probably going back to a Minecraft series. I'm sorry, you guys will silent language. Sometimes you might hear me speaking in German, because I gotta tell you guys something. Okay. Okay, I got it. This is the outro. Hey guys, next video, it might be all German. Please tell me, sorry about that noise, I kind of slobber all over it. Hey guys, I think, weirdly, I was watching this YouTube video, I saw a big ginormous turd walking across the, map, and then, it turned everything into, sadly poop. Okay, let's get into this. I don't know why I said that. Stay cool, guys. And mouth. Okay, guys. I don't know who you are, but I'll find you out. Okay. Lag is real, guys. Hey, kids. Oh, waka, bang, 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 get the bang, da, 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 oh yeah, oh no. Who hears that? Okay. Wah! Wah! Wait, why am I fighting? Oh yeah, I forgot. Wah! Wah! Here. Wah! Dude, what's going on? It's sending me everywhere. Wah! We have to run. What? Some time later. Okay. Sometime later, yeah. Party on the disco floor. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Party on the disco floor. 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 Disco. Disco, 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 disco. I'm breaking my house. Please tell me I'm not. For poop's sake. I worked on this. Ugh. But who cares? Let's just get back to dancing. Disco. Who likes my disco moves? Disco. Disco, disco, disco. Disco. Waka waka bang. Waka waka bang. Let's go fishing. And in our hot tub. Yeah, I forgot about this. Here. My feet. Potty. I wasn't expecting. Ooh, what's down there? We can fly for that. I'm just gonna head there. This is a ocean. I haven't seen last video. What's this? This looks very interesting. What? Down below, kids! Kids! Watch out! So much G-force. G4! Okay, in here, in here, in here. Go. You're dead serious? Who's around? Who's around here? Who's... Yeah, get back there. Oh wait, what traits do you have? Are you? You're trapped with me now. Good talk. What do you have? Nope. You're stupid. What? Look like... I'm sorry, man. You're not good enough. What are you? Jump! Jump! What? Guys, tell me, do I need to get better at parkour or what? Yeah, right now, the score is now I'm gonna be to me. So right now it's 1. I forget how to do a lot of stuff right now. Okay, Smith. Think. Guys, please tell me how to open chat. Not like that. I'm happy I have this. Please tell me that. Good news. Dang. Okay, you're useless. Okay, that. We have to wrap up this video for today. Yeah, right. You're gonna have to stay here with me. Stay here with me. I have a caper. Cape. How do you get it? Snooper. Yeah, guys, you're gonna have to go bye-bye. So goodbye! Yeah!